Take pinch of salt in clean and dry test tube and prepare a salt solution by adding water into it. First of all, you have to prepare a salt solution by adding distilled water in the given salt such that it dissolves completely. So prepare aqueous solution of a salt, take clean and dry test tube, add pinch of salt into it and add few quantity of water and prepare a salt solution into it. Now add dilute HCl. You have to add dilute HCl and record the observation. When you add this dilute HCl in the aqueous solution, what happens? A white precipitate of lead chloride will be formed. This dilute HCl is acting as a group reagent. Here dilute HCl is acting as a group reagent of the first group, and the inference is that first group will be present if a salt precipitate out in presence by adding dilute HCl, it indicates that the first group is present and Pb2+ ion may be present in the given salt. So after this, you have to dissolve the precipitate with the help of hot water. It means you have to add some more distilled water into it and you have to boil the solution or warm the solution such that all the precipitate is dissolved. Now dissolve the solution with the help of hot water and divide the solution into two parts. You have to dissolve the precipitate with the help of hot water and divide the solution into two parts. Now I am placing this one part in this test tube stand. To the first part of the solution, add potassium chromate solution. After adding potassium chromate solution, yellow precipitate will be obtained. Now take small quantity of the precipitate and dissolve it with the help of sodium hydroxide solution. After adding sodium hydroxide solution, the precipitate will dissolve. Now see, the precipitate will be soluble in sodium hydroxide solution. So if you add a potassium chromate solution into the aqueous solution of Pb2+ ion, then lead chromate will be formed, yellow precipitate of lead chromate will be formed, which will be soluble in sodium hydroxide solution. And this is the confirmative test for the presence of Pb2+ ion. And to the another part, I am adding another reagent that is known as potassium iodide. If potassium iodide solution is added into it, record the observation what happens when few drops of potassium iodide solution is added into it. Yellow color precipitate was obtained. Here yellow color precipitate was obtained due to the formation of lead iodide. This lead iodide is yellow in color, and this is the confirmative test for the presence of Pb2+ ion in the given solution.